Alright guys, let's walk through this Amapiano shaker loops that you can use for both Amapiano and Afrobeat right after the intro. Alright, the name is God Science, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. So guys, we are in FS Studio. I'm gonna give you this free Amapiano shaker loops. Okay, so the link is in the description box. Download it for free. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, give the video a like, then also turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first person to see the next video that I'll upload. Make sure you watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip this file. Very simple guys. So let's take a good listen to these shaker loops. I'm gonna start with this. All right, let me zoom in. Then I'm gonna change this to song mode. Let's listen. Okay, let's listen to this. All right guys, they are very nice. Okay, the link is in the description box, so download it for free. You can use it for both your Amapiano beat and Afrobeat as well. Very nice. It's very soft. You see? Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This is the only channel that give you free things. Wow. Let's listen to this. We move on. Okay. Nice one, guys. So we have short one, then the long ones. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Let's listen to this. Crazy, man. See, very simple, guys. Sorry. These loops are very nice. Use them for your Amapiano beat and Afrobeat. Very nice, guys. The link is in the description box, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip it. Wow, I really love it. Nice one. Very nice. All right. Nice one, guys. Okay. Nice one. See? Very nice. Okay guys, let's take a good listen to this. Very soft shaker. Okay guys, so you can also combine two of them, two or more, like this. Let's see. Very nice guys. Alright guys, so this is the free shaker loop that you can use for your Amapiano or Afrobeat. The name is Godside. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.